Fabulous 103 FM with Kru Fon at TIME. Good morning.
สวัสดีค่ะ
How are you?
I'm fine.
What are we going to learn today?
It's do the laundry, like wash the laundry, like
Oh, okay, yeah.
wash the clothes. I mean, ซักผ้า
Sak pa.
ใช่ it's a silent กอไก่ ซักผ้า
So the sag is a silent gorgai. Sag pa.
ถูกต้องค่ะ
Sag, but sag. Sag pa.
ถูกต้องค่ะ
Sag pa.
ซักผ้าค่ะ
Let's get the laundry done and look nice and smart. See you again tomorrow. And don't forget that Time Every Day is sponsored by and produced by the Pattaya Language Centre, which is run by Kru Fon and 2 other Thai ladies, all with degrees and all teaching English, Thai and German. So if you or your family want to catch up and improve, especially right now, online, visit our website alwayspattaya.com and look for the link.